Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's video, I am super excited to say that we are going to a car show. It's something that's been very far and few between this year due to the whole COVID crap and whatnot. So we're headed to a place called the Medina Automotoplex. And what this is basically you buy a garage or a custom man cave. They'll decorate it, you decorate it how you want it. You put your cars and crap in there. And once a month, they open up all the garage doors and basically have like a car show. It's pretty spectacular. It's been on CSNBC, or there's actually one in Atlanta, the same kind of setup. And they've filmed a couple TV shows and stuff there. Now, something really cool about today's show is it's an all-German show. Not necessarily if you show up in something American or French or something, they're not going to kick you out, but it's catering to your Mercedes, your Audis, Volkswagens, BMWs, anything German. And being that my first car was a Volkswagen, I am pretty partial to some of that German engineering. So I'm just going to cut to the chase. It's early. We're going to get there and see what it's all about. I have no idea what to expect. I know they're only holding 250 places for spectators due to COVID and 6-foot social distancing and all that stuff. So I'm not sure what to expect, but we're gonna find out together. So we'll see you there. So we made it to the show and we're pretty early. There's not a whole lot of stuff going on here yet, but we've got a little row of some stuff here. So here's a little look at somebody's garage setup, but you buy this unit and then you can have it custom made however you want for looks and things. Looks like a 67 Camaro in the corner there. Cayennes. But it's a pretty neat little deal. And there's just rows of this stuff. building after building. They're building some more over here. That one's going on there. Well, we walked through the show and saw some cool stuff, met a few cool people. It was really kind of an interesting situation, like with these garages, and you buy them and you have your man cave and you do whatever else. Like I said, they're got one here that's just about finished. They got a couple areas here to build some new ones. And this place is ever expanding, which is cool. It's a great outlet for people to go and show your stuff off at in a nice, safe environment. So very cool. There is another one in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and then the next ones would be Atlanta, Georgia. Automotorplex.com. Check it out. I do want to thank Darren for taking the day and joining me on and doing this, and I hope it's not the last time we get to do this. So you might be seeing some more footage after this. You might not be seeing some more footage after this. I'm not sure, but if this is where we're gonna leave it for the day, you know the routine. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.